figure out how I'm going to get the most use out of it. I mentioned that I would be using this closet area to put items that's already put together. All right, so I'm going to have to work on doing that. And so as I was cleaning up this area, I was thinking about different ways I could achieve that. So I'm going to share some of those things with you now. All right. I like to recycle the hangers when I make purchases. I like to keep the hangers. So even if they put the hangers in a bag with an item on it, or if they just take the hangers off and put them in a separate bag, I take the hangers. Okay. One of the things the hangers can represent is it can help you organize according to size. For instance, you see this is extra small, is small, and medium. That's one way to organize. Okay. The other reason I like these is because it already has the notch in it. So if you bought an item that's a set, you have this hanger, and then you have this portion that you can just slip in here. Okay, and look at that. Right there, you have a space saver. So if I'm going to use this closet to hold items that's already put together, this really works well for me. So this is one way of achieving that. So I'm going to show you an outfit that I put together. I mean, it's not grand or anything, but you know, just something I thought of on the table. Okay. So here is a top that I like. Now, I just washed this top and dried it, okay? Because when I took it out of my wardrobe, I seen that I had deodorant stains on it. And I've never really worn it, but I must have worn it. I must have tried it on. So since then, I've changed the type of deodorant that I use because, you know, I can't stand when you get deodorant stains on clothing. But this is, I can't stand when you get, let me just stop this for a moment. Okay, so we're gonna put an outfit together real quick. And we're gonna start with this top, okay? Now, somewhere along the line, I have so much black in my closet, but I don't wanna get rid of the black. So I wanna use the black as a highlight. So I figure I'd come up with a way to, at the same time, I'm finding a way to still use the black, but not make everything black, not make everything all one color. All right, I don't want to do that, especially with the black. I can do that with other colors, but I don't even think I want to do that. You know, I can just do whatever I feel. If I like black, I want to keep the black. I want to find a way to use it so that it works well for me and I'm still satisfied, okay? So now I thought of a way to pair this with something that has more color. So I'm going to show that to you. Okay, you see this? All right, this is a pair of pants and it's a wide leg pant, okay? And it's very, very light. So it's definitely something that you want to wear when it's hot. I did put this on for the first time. I didn't have it on more than 15 minutes to a half hour. Just a couple weeks ago, I walked outside with it on and my legs were so cold. I had to come back in the house and change my pants because it was evening and it got cold out. So it started getting chilly. All right, so I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna pair this with this. Make sure it's facing the front, okay. I'm gonna pair it with this. All right, so now I've got the outfit on here. So now what is it missing? It's missing that third layer, right? Odd is more pleasing to the eye, right? When it comes to decorations and, you know, organizing things, it just looks nicer. So first of all, take a look at this. And so we've got the silver. as far as the metal that we're going to be using. So you want to think about using silver jewelry. Not that you can't mix gold, it's up to you. But I would most likely pull out silver jewelry to go with this. So now I'm going to give you a third layer. Okay, so this is a trench coat. Now you really can't tell that the colors don't match exactly. All right, but I thought that this was an interesting combination. Look how much space I have created in my closet, okay? So this is the kind of thing that I'm talking about doing, and then we set things up by putting it in the closet, and it's a ready-made outfit. So when I'm in a crunch and I need something to wear, this is appropriate because it's a light jacket. It's gonna be cool in the evenings, you know, in the summer months, until, you know, maybe August, and then, well, you know, it really doesn't matter. It's how you feel, okay? If you're cold, if you're like me, you always want to stay warm and cozy, so you always make sure that you have a jacket of some sort. Okay, so I already started putting some things in a closet, but this is the only thing that I have arranged as an outfit. But I wanted to show you how dull and boring the other items look because it's not put together. So basically they're separates. So for instance, okay, this is a jacket that I like. It's an H&M jacket, and I want to pair it with something, but in the closet next to this jacket, which is also black, this is a Banana Republic, everything kind of looks dull, okay? This is a nice vibrant blue, but these are things that I like. These are jackets that I like that I need to pair with, you know, to create an outfit so that it would make my closet look more vibrant. So I'm gonna work on, so this is where I'm gonna start. I'm starting with items that I really like, and then I'm gonna find some other items that I really like and pair it together. So these are jackets that I got from the Goodwill store. Like I said, I wanted to experiment with color, and so I found some things along the way that I thought would be interesting. This is one of those jackets that I got. I have a scissors so that I can start cutting tags because I have a lot of clothing that have tags, so I'm going to do that. But I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to show you some other things that I have in here that I'd like to work something out with. Okay, so when the holidays come, I want to have some outfits all ready. So this is a jacket that I got from the Goodwill store, and I like the way it looks on me, so I want to find something really nice. I'm thinking about maybe a dress, okay? So that's another one, and another black jacket. But this is cute. Look at this. It's got a nice buckle, and this is Velcro. So let's buckle it up, see what it looks like. Okay, so for now, on my channel, you probably won't see me trying any things on because I really don't have time, okay? It's easier for me to just do this and then put it together off camera, okay? So this is a very, very lovely jacket. I am really into jackets, okay? Another jacket. Now, I just recently got this one. I love the low cut on this. It's really, really pretty, okay? Here's another one, okay? This is really nice. So I want to find something to go with that. And I have this in 3 other colors. I love the button detail on here, and it's wool. It's 100% wool. I have it in red, blue, and I believe beige, okay? So I have had these for years, but I have not found just the right outfit to be able to wear it. So I'm gonna work on that. And this is another jacket that I got recently. This is just so cute. Now, what am I going to wear this with? I don't know. But I'm thinking, look at the color on the inside. I'm thinking if I can find something to match that could work. So, I've got my I've got my work cut out for me. Okay, this is a Casper jacket. This is really cute. Okay, in blue. What would I wear with this? I don't know, but we'll figure it out. And this, oh my goodness, I've worn this a few times. This I really like. Okay, it's got a split on the side, perfect for the summer. And here's another one. I've worn this once. I wore it to my daughter's baby shower recently. Yeah, that was the first time I wore it. And this is cute. There's certain clothing that I feel like I wear better when I lose weight. This is one of those things. You know, I'm planning on exercising and shedding a few pounds, so I think that's gonna look nicer. Look at this. This to me is gorgeous. This is just gorgeous. So like I said, these are my 3rd layers, and then I have to find something else. I bought this from Bonton, this suit, but the pants are way too long for me, so I have to take it to the tailor. So I have not worn this suit yet. All right, and there's one more thing, not one more thing, but I got this. There's a perfume that I've been loving lately. It's called Elizabeth and James. And so they're handbags that they have, the perfume, and they have these dresses that are just so 20s.